Namaste. Good day to everyone. I am Arshee RIZVI, Data Science Officer at IIT Madras, BS degree program with Mr. Yatin DIWAKAR, a PhD scholar at IIT Bombay, researching on the national evaluation systems. We are the country-led evaluators for the year 2023 to 2024 of ODA support to India. Initially, I would emphasize the significance of Japan's ODA to India. Till date, the Japan has extended loans totaling over 77 trillion yen to India over the past 7 years alone. Approximately 28 trillion yen has been allocated across 61 projects. Notably, Japan provided roughly half of India's total loans grants from Development Assistance Committee countries during the period of 2011 to 2015. This underscores the crucial role of Japan's ODA support in India's development trajectory. Now, highlighting the significant sectors supported by Japan's ODA in India, we find a diverse range including energy, agriculture, forestry, development planning, healthcare, and water, sanitary, and hygiene. It even includes transportation and logistics. Significantly, in transportation, the support extends to railways, roadways, and prominent ports. One of the development planning programs involves the investment promotion and infrastructure improvement programs in Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Notably, the Tamil Nadu Investment Program Phase 1 commenced in 2013, followed by Phase 2 in 2017. Featuring the implementation of various projects mentioned here, these investments support the comprehensive and integrated plan for Chennai-Bangalore Industrial Corridor. Let's discuss more about partner country-led evaluation. The objectives of the country-led evaluation is to develop evaluation capacity of partner country, to improve management of ODA, to ensure accountability of Japan's ODA to the public, and to promote understanding towards the Japan's ODA in partners country. The overarching purpose of evaluation is to conduct a comprehensive evaluation of Japan's ODA loans towards assistance to promote investment in the southeastern and promoting foreign direct investment in Chennai, metropolitan and neighboring regions in the state. Now, in this evaluation, a sector evaluation framework will be used, which has the criteria of effectiveness of the result, relevance of policies, and appropriateness of processes. This evaluation will be based on guidelines for partner country-led evaluation by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Government of Japan. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Yatin DIWAKAR to continue from here.
Thank you, Arshee. So we are evaluating the Tamil Nadu Investment Promotion Program Phase 1 and Phase 2, which have been carried out over the last 10 years. A brief on the Tamil Nadu Investment Promotion Program is that it is a program where general untied fund has been given under development policy lending pattern, and the fund releases against policy actions for small infrastructure projects. In Phase 1, which was from 2013 to 16, about 13 billion yen was given, under which 22 small infrastructure projects were created. In Phase 2, from 17 to 20, about 22 billion yen were given for 30 infrastructure projects, and Phase 3 is being drafted right now. The main objective of the infrastructure development planning sector evaluation program is that to increase foreign direct investment in Tamil Nadu. This has been done through two different streams. One is enhancing the investment climate through policy actions, improving policies, institutions, and procedures through collaborative action, and improve urban infrastructure through small projects like development of roads, power distribution, water supply, sewerage infrastructure. We identified multiple stakeholders for this project, which have been grouped into 4 categories: important crucial agencies which are involved in the TNIPP design and implementation, other involved government agencies, investors, and others. In investors, we are also interacting with Japanese investors as well as foreign investors and local companies in India to understand how the investment promotion has had extra benefits for all the other investors as well. Skill Development Corporation is a crucial agency for us, and so are Japanese embassy and then the finance department, which is controlling the implementation of this program. The main 10 policy actions which were taken under the two phases of the policy action TNIPP are listed here. First was to formation of the Tamil Nadu Infrastructure Development Board, then setting up a small infrastructure projects empowered committee which would take decisions about which small infrastructure projects have to be carried out. Business process reengineering of investment applications and creating a tracking system for the same, and then creating a web-based single window application system for implementing those investment applications. Skill development action plan was created in phase 1. Land pooling system and master planning was completed in phase 1. Tamil Nadu Infrastructure Fund for Social Infrastructure Development was established at the start of phase 2, as well as establishment of some apex training institutes for skill development and strengthening of Guidance Bureau. Guidance Bureau is the main agency in Tamil Nadu which guides different investors in creating their investment. So the primary evaluation methodology that we are following is listed here. As told before, the main three evaluation criteria were relevance, appropriateness, and effectiveness. Along with that, following DAC OECD criteria, we are also adding impact, coherence, sustainability, and equity. And we have one question each, and we are trying to understand how each of these is being achieved through this program. Equity was added when we realized that the program also targeted skill development of women and physically weaker societies. And so, sorry, there's some disturbance. So methods we are using mixed method study where quantitative analysis based on secondary data and qualitative analysis is also being done through primary research. We are interviewing key stakeholders, doing some field surveys, observations, and also we are using some technologies where we are scraping data on the websites. Like we are doing analysis of answers on Quora about investment in Tamil Nadu to learn public perception about what is happening in Tamil Nadu. We are also trying out if we are able, we are trying to do a GIS-based analysis to understand how spread of industries has increased in Tamil Nadu and how they are, how the Chennai to Bangalore industrial corridor is being developed. Evaluation duration, the work was initially discussed in September and finalized in November, and the start of the work was towards the end of December. Our first field visit happened in January during the Global Investors Meet in Chennai. Due to the current budget cycle which is ongoing, the next field visit is planned for the coming week in start of March, as requested by Finance Department. So I will request Arshee to take over for the interim findings.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Yatin. So these slides focuses on the findings of our interim report. The establishment of Skill Action Plan enabled the Tamil Nadu Skill Development Corporation to secure an augmented budget, facilitating enhanced training opportunities for both youth and women. Aligning sectorial focus with industry demands has increased access to trained youth, thereby attracting prospective investors. Also, the establishment of apex training institutes in key sectors has notably bolstered the availability of skilled blue-collar workers, particularly in logistics and aligned sectors. Furthermore, a pivotal discovery outlined in our report is the enhancement of the investment climate. First, the regional planning and the strategic distribution of economic zones have established a robust network of industrial areas providing convenient access to raw material suppliers and freight corridors. This facilitates the establishment of new industries and expansion of existing ones. Second, the implementation of single window system has universally benefited all investors, streamlining the process and reducing bureaucratic hurdles. Also, the professionalization and timely operation of Guidance Bureau have left a positive impression on investors, fostering confidence in the investment process. Both Japanese investors and those from European countries have noted positive change, while Indian companies find it increasingly straightforward to establish plants in Tamil Nadu. I would like to call Yatin to put some light on challenges.
So during this study, we are facing some challenges. One is related to the timing of the study. The first field visit was delayed due to the global investment meet at Chennai. The departments that we are contacting were saying that they are currently very busy with preparing for the investment meet, where all the government stakeholders were involved. Instead of waiting, we decided to convert it into an opportunity, and we visited the global investment meet and interacted with various industries and government pavilions, and that was where we were able to connect with the Chamber of Commerce from different countries and interact with people from Germany and France. The budget preparation has delayed our next visit till March, but toward in March itself, again the general elections in India will be declared, which will be happening in May, and so we have about a 15-day window to carry out our further field visit. And during this time, because we realized that maybe field visits will not be possible, we started exploring opportunities like looking at Quora answers and looking at GIS data, and so that way we are trying to overcome the challenges that we are facing. The team has 4 people right now, myself and Arshee, and we are also supported by Rajasi and Farheen as needed. Rajasi is good at qualitative analysis, so whatever uh, interviews you are doing, she's helping us with analyzing that, and Farheen is helping us with data analysis. Thank you.